In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email campaign in Mailjet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what each setting means, so you can build a clear, professional campaign with confidence. Start by logging in to your Mailjet dashboard. This is your control center, where you can see your account overview and access all the tools you'll need. If you're working in a team, make sure you're in the right account or workspace before moving on, so your campaign ends up in the correct place. In the sidebar, head to Campaigns. This section is dedicated to one-to-many email sends, such as newsletters, announcements, or promotions. It's different from automations or transactional emails, and it keeps all your campaign performance data organized and easy to review later. Click Create a campaign. Mailjet will open the campaign setup page, which guides you through the essential pieces you must complete. Think of this page as a checklist. Once each section is filled out, you'll have everything you need to move smoothly into design and sending. Start with campaign name. This is an internal label that appears in your reports and dashboards, not something your subscribers will ever see. Choose a name that's descriptive and easy to recognize later. Include the theme or offer and a date if helpful. Clear naming makes reporting and comparisons much simpler down the road. Next, choose the language for the campaign. Pick the language that matches your audience and content. This helps you keep your tone consistent and can influence default system text within templates. If you manage audiences in different regions, selecting the right language prevents confusion and builds trust. Then, set your contact list. Click Select Recipients and choose the list you want to send to. Make sure the list is current, permission-based, and relevant to the message. If segmentation is available, apply filters to target a specific subset, such as engaged readers or a particular location, so your message stays timely and meaningful. Now, move to content. This is where you design the email itself. Use Mailjet's editor to select a template or start from scratch. Then add your logo, headlines, images, and copy. Keep paragraphs concise, make your main call to action obvious, and ensure links are correct. Aim for clean design, readable fonts, descriptive image alt text, and a layout that looks great on mobile and desktop. That's it. You've set up the core of an email campaign in Mailjet, naming it clearly, choosing the right language, selecting your audience, and crafting the message. With these foundations in place, you're ready to continue within Mailjet and bring your campaign to life.